Hi everyone, welcome to a very special blog preview of our upcoming shows on HSN on June 8th. We interrupt our regularly scheduled blog posts to bring you some breaking news in the craft world. And when we say breaking, if you didn't see this already today, Cricut just made a huge announcement about a brand new tool for the Cricut Joy. It is coming to HSN and exclusively launching on June 8th, and it is the brand new foil transfer kit. Now, this is the tool of all tools for adding a little shine to your projects with the Cricut Joy. Now, it works just like our foil transfer tool that we know and love for the Explorer and the Maker, except it has one tip, all right? And it's the medium tip, and it goes right in, all right? We're removing the blade, the cutting blade from our Joy. We're dropping in our foil transfer tool, and it's going to work exactly like all the things that you know from Cricut. Seamlessly, effortlessly, it's going to actually transfer the foil to the project of your choice. Now, when we think about foil transfer in the stationery industry, we know that that's a secondary process. It costs more money. It's all these things. But now we can not only make cards in minutes, tags in seconds with the Joy, we can now add that little bit of shine, that little gorgeous shimmer to things that we love to make. A beautiful box topper, maybe you want to create a tag for someone's party favor. It's really amazing. Now, what's so great about Cricut and the foil transfer kit is that it's actually coming with foil and the tape to tape the foil, so you're getting silver and gold in the sheets. They're 4x6. You're also getting the tape to hold that down to the mat, so as the foil is transferred, this is pressure transferred. It's not heat transferred. There are no cords. There's no mess. So that's coming in the box with the tool. But you know, HSN, there's always something great. The value is as outstanding, and this tool, it's the world launch, and it's exclusively on HSN. It's coming with more. So you got silver and gold foil with the tool. Now you've got green, purple, and blue, 24 more sheets in this bundle. You're getting 12 cards and insert cards and envelopes. You're also getting the Cricut Joy Mat. This is the card mat. And what's so fantastic about having more card mats is that as you start to use your Cricut Joy more, because you now have the ability to add foil to your projects, you'll want more mats. So just look. So happy birthday, cards in minutes. You see that beautiful blue transfer. What about the silver? Sparklers come to life as if they're actually burning right there on the card. And well, a tall ship, anyone? My goodness, look at all that foil. So easy, effortless, joyous. Our foil transfer tool is coming to HSN, and I know that many of you are really excited about this. You didn't even know it was coming, now did you? So we just count on Cricut to always elevate our craft game. And join me June 8th on HSN at midnight. This tool will be on right after the Cricut Joy Today special presentation. So if you want yours, you're gonna have to get it on HSN. I'm gonna give it away, okay? I've got one, they sent me one to send to you. So what you need to do is comment below on the blog. Tell me what you want to actually use the foil transfer kit for, all right? So tell me what you love, tell me what you want to use it for, and I'll give this away on Monday when we give away our Today special bundle and all the brand new things from Anna Griffin. Bye for now.